Frisco homeowners experience a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot, dry summers to cooler temperatures and occasional storms. These changes can take a toll on a home's exterior features, especially entry doors. Choosing high-quality replacement doors is essential for maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. Modern replacement doors are specifically designed to handle these changing conditions while improving the overall performance of your home. One of the most important ways replacement doors perform well in Frisco's climate is through temperature control. During the summer, temperatures can rise significantly, causing heat to build up inside the home if doors are not properly insulated. Modern replacement doors are built with insulated cores that help block heat from entering while keeping cool air inside. In the winter, these same features help retain indoor warmth, creating a more stable and comfortable environment year-round. Another key factor is resistance to weather-related wear and tear. Older doors, especially those made from untreated wood, can warp, crack, or swell due to changes in temperature and humidity. Replacement doors made from materials like fiberglass and steel are designed to resist these issues. They maintain their shape and structural integrity even when exposed to extreme heat or sudden weather changes, ensuring consistent performance over time. Sealing is also critical when it comes to handling Frisco's changing weather. Gaps around doors can allow air, dust, and moisture to enter the home, reducing comfort and increasing energy costs. Modern replacement doors are equipped with advanced weather stripping and tight-fitting frames that create a strong seal. This prevents drafts in cooler months and keeps hot air out during the summer, helping maintain indoor comfort while improving energy efficiency. Storm resistance is another important benefit. Frisco can experience strong winds, heavy rain, and occasional severe weather. Replacement doors are built to withstand these conditions, offering improved durability and protection. Strong frames, reinforced cores, and secure locking systems help protect the home from external elements, reducing the risk of damage during storms. Energy efficiency is closely tied to how well replacement doors perform in changing weather. By reducing heat transfer and preventing air leaks, these doors help lower the workload on heating and cooling systems. This leads to more consistent indoor temperatures and lower energy bills. Over time, the savings on utility costs can offset the initial investment in a high-quality replacement door. Moisture resistance is another key advantage. Rain and humidity can affect door performance if materials are not designed to handle moisture exposure. Modern replacement doors are built with moisture-resistant materials and protective finishes that prevent water absorption and damage. This helps avoid issues such as rot, mold, or deterioration, which can occur with older or poorly maintained doors. Another way replacement doors improve performance is through noise reduction. Changing weather conditions often bring wind and outdoor noise, which can affect indoor comfort. Well-insulated doors with tight seals help block external sounds, creating a quieter and more relaxing environment inside the home. Proper installation is essential for maximizing these benefits. Even the best replacement door will not perform well if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the door is properly aligned, sealed, and secured within the frame. This prevents air leaks, improves durability, and ensures that all components function as intended. Maintenance is relatively simple with modern replacement doors, which adds to their long-term performance. Materials like fiberglass and steel require minimal upkeep and are resistant to fading, cracking, and warping. Regular cleaning and occasional inspection of seals and hardware are usually enough to keep the door functioning efficiently. In addition to performance benefits, replacement doors enhance the overall appearance of a home. A well-designed door can improve curb appeal and create a strong first impression, adding value to the property. Combining style with functionality makes replacement doors a worthwhile upgrade for Frisco homeowners. In conclusion, Replacement doors are designed to perform reliably in Frisco's changing weather conditions. With features like insulation, durable materials, tight seals, and moisture resistance, they help maintain indoor comfort, improve energy efficiency, and protect the home from the elements. When paired with professional installation, replacement doors provide long-lasting performance and value, making them an essential investment for homeowners looking to enhance both comfort and durability.